Good morning, kids. Today we are going to study environmental studies looking around.
Let us start with the first chapter of our book, that is Super Senses. Before starting with the chapter, let us see the mind mapping of the chapter. We are going to study about ants who have super sense of smell, mosquitoes who have super sense of smell, dogs who have excellent sense of smell. Also, they help human beings in catching thieves, detecting bombs, etc. We are going to study about birds, dolphins too. Then we will study about tigers. Yes, it is national animal of our India. It has super sense of sight, super sense of hearing. Also, it marks its area by its urine. We are going to study about silkworm, its super sense of smell, and also about sloth, its super sense of sleeping. Also, it lives for 40 years and moves on 8 trees only. Now, we are going to study about them in detail. Before that, let us see the aims and objectives of the lesson. To learn various sense organs of animals. To know how animals find their food. To know how animals recognize their group members. Also, to understand the steps taken by government to protect wildlife. Do you remember, kids? What are sense organs? Sense organs refer to the organs that respond to external stimuli. There are 5 sense organs. Eyes, which has sense of sight, ears, which respond to sound, nose, which respond to smell, skin, which respond to touch, and tongue, which respond to taste. Yes, very good. But question arises, do animals also have sense organs? So, what do you think? Do animals have sense organs? Yes, absolutely right. World of animal is full of amazing senses. They can feel, they can touch, they can see, they can hear, and they can taste. They can see their prey from far away. The world of animal is full of example of amazing senses. Let's start with first animal. Can you recognize this insect? Try it out, it is very easy. Yes, absolutely correct. It is an ant. Yes, ants have very good sense of smell. They recognize other member of their group by their smell. They use their antennae to listen sound. Do you know, kids? They don't have ears but have antennae to listen the sound. Okay, tell me, what do you observe in the walking pattern of the ants? How they were moving? Yes, ants move in a straight line as they leave their smell while moving, and other member of the ant follow it. With help of that smell only, they are able to recognize who is the member of their group and who is not. Okay, now can you answer this question? Let's read together. How did the ant recognize a friend? An ant was going along the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other sides. The ants quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. Now you have to think and tell me, how did the ant know that other ants were not from its group? Yes, absolutely correct. Because of their smell. Yes, very good. Next is, how did the guard ant recognize this ant? Again, correct answer. Very good. By its smell. Wow, you all have understood very well. Now it's time to recognize this insect. Come on, tell me, can you find out which insect is this? Yes, very good. This is a mosquito. Do you know, kids? Mosquitoes can find you by the smell of your body. They also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. Now, do you know whenever you move to some place, mosquitoes follow you? Why? Because they can recognize you by your smell. Okay. And which animal is this? Yes, this is a silkworm. Hey, I am a silkworm. I can find my female worm from many kilometers away by their smell. Yes, kids. Now we have learnt about three animals: ants, mosquitoes, and silkworm. They all are those who have super sense of smelling. Okay, I hope this much chapter is clear to you. Now, kids, we are going to continue the chapter in the next part of the video. Bye bye.